Hey guys! So for today's video, mag-unbox tayo. And ang i-unbox natin right now is yung Realme Advent Calendar box na available, limited edition lang to, pero they gave this during the media Thanksgiving. So papakita ko sa inyo kung ano laman ito, and I'm gonna show you why you should have gotten this and why it's such a big product to get. So, ito muna yung box. Ito yung itsura ng box. So, ayan. And then, buksan na natin siya. And I'm gonna show you kung ano yung laman nila. So, what happens here is that you're gonna see there are different dates. There's a different, So, this one runs until 12 because it's the 12 days of Christmas. And Realme just sent this out, and ito yung may letter silang kasama dun sa pinadala na to our beloved partners. So thank you Realme for sending this over. And isa-isahin na natin yung box, tingnan natin kung ano yung laman nila. And then ayun. And hopefully kung may available pa na product or available pa to, you can get this. So ito yung number 1. Ito yung number 1 sa ano. And ang laman niya ay buksan na natin. First day of Christmas. Real Meow stickers. Ayan, Real Meow stickers. Cute siya. Very nice. And this is you following the holiday season. So yung mga design niya is a lot of Santa hats. Tsaka meron ding mga holiday greetings. Okay, that's done with number 1. Next, let's check out box number 2 for the holidays. Ito siya, medyo malaki-laki siyang box dito. Tanggalin na natin siya. Slowly. Ayan. Okay, so ito si box number 2. And as you can see, medyo mabigat siya. So i-check natin kung ano naman ni box number 2 right now. Ayan. And ang laman niya ay, wow, this is TechLife portable fan. Ayan, portable fan siya. And I don't know the retail price nito pero okay din siya. Malakas din to Ito yung mga para mga Sonic Blast buga. Cool. So okay, obviously you're seeing that you're getting your money's worth dito. So okay to. Solid. Number 3, ito si number 3. Bubuksan ko. Lalabas ko muna siya. Move lang natin tong ibang boxes na to. Kasi medyo malapad siya. So, ito si number 3. Ayan, malaki yung box. 3. Ayan. So, number 3. Uy, sounds like a toy Kaya buksan natin to. Ang number 3 ay, ayaw magpabukas. Ang number 3 ay, this is cool. Ito si Meow Cuckoo. Siya ay ang parang labubu version ni Realme. Ayan, si Meow Cuckoo. Cute. So, bag tag siya, guys. And, well, it's actually, mamaya, this will be a different unboxing. Pero, okay to. Cute siya. Meow Cuckoo. Wala na ibang laman ano lang siya. Yung wrappings lang niya. Okay. Moving on. Number 4. Ito na si number 4. Yan natin laman ni number 4. Okay. At ang laman ni number 4 ay sunscreen. Why sunscreen? Face and body. Kasi I am going to assume na lalabas kayo ngayong Christmas season, holiday, lalabas kayo, magbe-beach kayo, mag-out of town kayo. Don't forget your sunscreen. Importante to. Ginawang kanta ni Baz Luhrmann to. So, yeah, sunscreen. Number 4. Okay, number 5. Ito si number 5. Nandito siya sa far right side ng box. Number 5. I'll show you number 5. I'll show you the camera here. Number 5. Ang number 5 ay, wow! This is, Baobab Shades. Ayan. So, pang out of town pa din, guys. So, again, holidays, may sunscreen ka na, may baobab ka pa na shades. Great. Great ideas. Great Christmas ideas. Now for number 6. Kasi number 6, uy, medyo hefty siya. So number 6. I'm going to show you the other camera. And number 6, let's go. Buksan na natin sa bayan. Ito. So number 6 ay... Ano ba to? Si number 6 ay... What is this? I think ito ay Black New. I think this is Everyday Essentials. Ano to? Yung not na adjustable na pwede may tali sa phone mo. Yeah, I've seen a couple of friends gumagamit ito din. Nakasakbit sa nila. Extra protection para sa inyong phones. Again, keeping up with the summer vibes. Holiday vibes and out-of-town vibes. Number 7 na tayo. Number 7. I'll show it here. Buksan na natin si number 7. Ano ang kanyang laman? Ayan, tingnan natin. Okay. Small. Okay. So, these are... Is this Realme? Yeah. Realme branded na finger sleeves. So, for gamers, out of town, staying indoors for the holidays, kailangan nyo to. Makes the game, especially pag naglalaro kayo ng mga MOBA games like MLBB and HOK, kailangan nyo to. And even for like games na nilalaro ko like Genshin and Honkai Star Rail, you need this. So, okay. Pasado. Really good stuff. Okay. Number 8. Okay, number 8. Ito na si number 8. I'm gonna show that in the camera here. Number 8. And buksan na natin siya. Let's go. Okay, si number 8 ay 2-in-1 from Tech Life again. So this is 2-in-1 USB cable. Okay? So comes in handy, especially pag Realme phones ang gamit nyo or Tech Life products. Mas mabilis yung charging. If hindi nyo napapansin, yes, so kung gamit lang kayo ng generic charger tapos Realme yung phone niyo, mas mabagal, hindi nyo ma-achieve yung super VOOC na quality ng charging. Pero pagka may mga ganito kayo, parang may handshake sila, so nade-detect ng phone and mas nagagamit ninyo properly yung charging nito. For out of town and for indoors as well. So, perfect for holidays. I like what Realme is doing kasi they are yung Advent box nito, Advent calendar box, Advent gift box. It does follow that. So, usually what you do is you open it on one day for the 12 days before Christmas. Tapos yun nga parang may surprise. Pero, yeah, I like spoilers. So, inano natin. So, number 9. Ito na si number 9. Number 9. And let's open it. I'm gonna show you kung ano naman yung box number 9. Box number 9 ay... Okay. Yung yung kinakabit sa likod, I forgot the name, the tawag, pero ito yun. Okay. Pang out of town, pang indoors. Cute din. Nice. Okay, down the hatch you go. What else? So we're down to the last 3 items here. 10, 11, 12. Let's go for 10. Papakita ko sa inyo kung nalaman ni number 10. Here's 10. Yeah, and then let's open it. Number 10, ano ang laman mo? Come on down. Okay, so number 10 has... I already have this. Yes, mag-cute to. So another tag, another keychain. This is the Realme keychain featuring our favorite mascot. So ito na siya. Cute, diba? So mga simple and fun abubots din siya for Christmas and again outdoors. Number 11. Here we go, number 11. Ano ang laman mo, number 11? Let's open this. Another bag tag, another keychain. And then, yeah, Realme branded pa rin. Nice. And we are down to the last item in this box. Number 12. 12 days of Christmas, guys. So, buksan na natin siya. What is this? Oh, aficionado na pabango, guys. So, yes, kung titos ka, or at least mga nag-college ka ng around early 2000s, aficionado, matagal na to. So, yes, kailangan nyo to either for nostalgia bombs, or if you just want to smell good kahit pawisin ka, kailangan mo to. And yeah, that's about it for the 12 days of Christmas na Advent box Advent calendar box set ni Realme. Wala na naman. Walang po. Okay. But yeah, the thing is, yung original version nito, the one that it's available still in the market. It does have a phone. It's the Realme C85. Pero I don't know what the number of the box is, pero they swapped it out for the media event. Pero the idea there is that you're buying the box, you're getting all these goodies, lahat ng mga nakita nating items dito, kasama dun sa, nakabundle dun sa C85. So I'm gonna flash the items, the amount of the C85, some specs of the C85 here. And then that's it for the video. I'll hope to see you soon. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and I'd like to see you more on the next video. Take care.